Now, in this video, we're going to take up one more problem on projections of solids, problem number 166. How to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. A square prism of 35 mm sides of base and 60 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its corners of the base, such that the two base edges containing the corner on which it rests make equal inclinations with HP. Draw the projections of the prism when the axis of the prism is inclined to HP at 40 degrees and appears to be inclined to VP at 45 degrees. So to do that problem, we will go to the solution. So to do that, first we'll go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Then we'll go for the command limits. So lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210. Then zoom all, then go to line, select some arbitrary point, take the distance as 297. Take the cursor to the top side, take the distance as 210. Select the cursor to the left side and take the distance as 297 and close. Then go to zoom extent and zoom 0.5x. Then we will going to have the layer. So click on new layer, type the layer by name XY. Click on new, type the layer by name axis. Click on new, type the layer by name front view. Click on new, type the layer by name top view. Click on new, type the layer by name front view, hidden. Click on new, type the layer by name top view, hidden. Now we go for line weights. Go to layer 0, make it 0.05. Then click on XY, make it 0.13. Click on axis line weight default and make it 0.05. Click on front view line weight default, make it as 0.5. Click on top view default, make it 0.5. Click on front view hidden and make it 0.3. Top view hidden default, make it 0.3. Then we want to go for continuous. Click on load, click on hidden and say OK. Click on load, type center and say OK, and hidden. OK. Then you click on front view hidden, select hidden line type and say OK. Then you take the axis, take the center line axis, and so then you just click on this, make it magenta. Then we have top view, make it blue, and then you go to top view, make it blue, and then we go for front view, make it red, and the top view, front view hidden. You take front view hidden, make it red. So once you do that, you just close it. Now we go for a polygon. Go to polygon and the number of sides is 4. Take the edge option, take this and take at the rate 35 less than 45. So you just go to polygon, take number of sides as 4, take the edge option at the rate 35 less than 45. Then go to move, select this and move this here, and you just click on this, go to layer, make that layer as top view. Now you just click on the line weight display. Now once you do that, you take this, and once you have 35, the axis length is 60. So you just go to offset, take the distance as 60. So select this and select this. Then go to line, take INT and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to trim, select these two as the cutting edges and these two as the object to trim. Then go to break, select this first point, take INT of this and say at the rate, then break. First point, take INT of this and say at the rate, then break. First point, take INT of this and say at the rate. So here you just click on this and you click on this, go to layer, make that layer as front view. Now you go to copy, select this entire thing and copy it to the next position, and then go to rotate. Then go to rotate, select this and take intersection point of this and make this as 50 degrees. Then go to move, previous. So this, once you take it 50, so obviously that will be rotated by 40 degrees. Then go to line and draw this line. So you just go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this now. Similarly, line, take int, go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two now. Similarly, you just go to line, draw a horizontal line, and similarly you draw a horizontal line here also. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to trim, select these two as the cutting edges and these two as the object to trim. Now you just go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. So you take int of this and take end point of this and take close. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection of this and take intersection of this and take intersection of this and say close. Then we have break, select this first point, take end point of this and say at the rate, then break, first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Now you have this, all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible and the surface nearer to the observer is visible and this edge is visible. Go to layer, make that layer as top view and you just click on this and you click on this and you click on this and go to layer, make that layer as top view hidden and make this dimension as 20. So once you do that, so you will going to have the line. So draw the XY line here. So from here to here, then go to line, take int and you draw this. Next we have this line and rotate by an angle. So to do that, you just go to copy, select this, copy, select this entire thing and copy to the next position and then go to rotate, select this entire thing and rotate with reference to this by an angle of -45. Then go to move this entire drawing, here, then go to move, select this. So you select this and keep it wherever you want. Then go to extend, select this as the boundary, object to extend as this. Then go to zoom window. Now we have the line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this now. Then go to fillet between these two now. Similarly, go to line, take int of this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this now. Then similarly line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two now. Similarly go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line and take line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this now. Then go to fillet between these two now. Similarly you just go to line, take intersection of this and take intersection of this and take intersection of this and take int of this and say close. Now we have line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this now. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line and take line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. then go to line, take endpoint of this and draw a horizontal line, and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this, and then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, int of this and take int of this and take intersection part of this and go to int of this and then say close. Now you just go to line, take int of this and take intersection of this line. And similarly line, take int of this and take int of this, then go to line, take int of this and draw intersection part of this, and go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this, then go to line, int of this and take intersection part of this, then go to break this line till here, and you break this line till here. Then just go to move, take the overall screen and take it inside, and then go to extend, select this as the boundary and object to extend, then you break this here. Now we go for all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible, and the surface nearer to the observer is visible. Go to layer, make that layer as front view, and you just click on this, and you just click on this, and you click on this, go to layer, make that as front view hidden and take the distance as 20, line type scale factor. Then you just come down to this, make this as axis, and you take this as stem. Now we just go to dimension, DDIM, then just go to modify. So click on primary units, make this as 0 and take the text height as 3, align with the dimension line, centered above. These 3 symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3 and go to lines, offset from the origin as 3 and say OK and say close. Now we go for dim, and you just switch off this and click int on this and take int of this. So here you're going to get it as 35. Then you take int of this and take intersection point of this. So here you're going to get it as 60. Then go to angular. So go to dim, select angular, select between these two. So these two dimension is 40. Then go to angular, select between these two. So you're going to get it as 45 degrees. Now we need to dim TD. Select this and go to this and you take it as 40. And from here you take it as 45. Then go to detexture. So here you mark this as 3. Rotation angle of test as X. You take it as VP. You take it as HP. And you take it as Y. So here you take it as small letter A, B, C and D. So here you mark it as small p, and then you have small q, then we have small r, then we have small s, then we have O, then we have O1, then here you take it as A dash, then we have B dash, then we have C dash, then we have D dash, and then we have O dash, then in bracket. Similarly you have P dash, then Q dash, then R dash, then we have S dash in bracket, then we have O1 dash in bracket. So once you do that, then go to zoom previous, then zoom window. You take this entire screen, then go to move. So you take X, you take it as VP, then HP, then A, then O1, then B, then Q, then C, then R, then D, then S. So all the points of the top view is over. Similarly, you take P dash, and we have Q dash, then we have S dash, then we have O1 dash, then we have R dash. So you take this, so take the layer as top view now. So once you do that, then go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window, then go to move, so here go to layer, make that layer as front view. Now we have copy, so copy this P dash here, then we have Q dash, then we have S dash, and you have R dash, then we have O1 dash, then we have C dash, then we have B dash, then we have D dash, then we have O dash, then we have A dash. So just you come down to this, then zoom window. So here we have to copy, so you take A, you take B, copy, then we have C, then we have D, then we have O, then we have O1, then you just move, then you have the text, then go to the text, you have P and you have Q, P, Q, R and S. Then you just go to zoom window, you just go to move, then you just come down to zoom previous, just go to copy, you take A, you take B, you take C, you take D, you take O, you take P, you take Q, you take O1, you take R, you take S, then we have the text. So here we have A dash, you have B dash, you have C dash, you have D dash, you have bracket O dash, then we have P dash, you have Q dash, you have R dash, and you have S dash, and here you have O1 dash. Then you just come down to zoom window, then go to move, you select this, P dash, O1 dash, R dash, then Q dash, then S dash, then A dash, then D dash, then O dash, then C dash, then D dash now. So just click on all these things. Then go to layer, make that layer as front view. So once you do that, so this is the final solution. So you have this and you have this line. So go to layer, make that layer as XY. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing by using AutoCAD software, and this drawing are almost one and the same. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing by AutoCAD software. Thank you.